a video for the Epic Fan Astronaut Collector 2020 to show him how to take off the front grille of a high velocity fan. Now this is my ProBrace 20-inch high velocity floor fan. So all you need is a pair of screwdrivers. Right, let me just open it up. There we go. Now obviously there is a screw down here, so you're going to need to take out that screw. I don't have that screw there, but you're going to need to take that screw out. Once you've taken the screw out, now as you know, the hooks are very stiff, and I've had problems with that, but I figured out how to take it off. It requires a flathead screwdriver. Now, what you want to do is get your flathead screwdriver and push it in there, like that, so it's in there. And once you push it in there, bend it out like this. And just like that, you've got the hook out. Now I'm going to do this with all of them. So I'm going to show you again. Get your flathead screwdriver and get it inside this and then push out like this. As you can see. Now these can be very stiff. There's one right there, as you can see. Got to do the same thing again. Get your flathead screwdriver and get it in there. I'm going to tilt it up a bit. You can see right here. Get your flathead screwdriver and fit it in there. As you can see, and you push out like that, and that's how you take it off. You do that with all the hooks, which is what I'm going to do now. If it doesn't work, try using a smaller one. Now make sure you don't bend it. Don't bend the screwdriver. Be careful of that. There we go. Now one more. As you can see, bend it out like that. Then if I'm sure, I should be able to take the grill off. Just like that. Right? And just like that, we've taken the grill off the fan. However, the fan tends to fall over without its front grill. Yeah, this video is for you. This video is for you, the Epic Fan Astronaut Collector 2020. I just wanted to show you how to take off the front grill. We're gonna run it. Now, be very careful when running this fan without its front grill. Be very careful. Those metal blades are dangerous, you know. Be very careful. We're going to switch on high. And off. Be very careful of this because the blades are made of metal. What I'm doing is not a good idea. But yeah, that was a video for you, the Epic Fan Astronaut Collector 2020. That's how you take off the grill of one of high velocity fans. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you found this helpful. Thanks for watching and see ya.